Is Huawei still alive? Some of you guys might have been wondering that question because we haven't seen a phone from them in quite a while now until recently. What is up everyone, Mr. Fantastic here, and apparently Huawei quietly launched their latest flagship phone just recently, the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. I didn't see a single review or hands-on or literally even a tweet of it from any of the news outlets or anyone in general, which was really strange because Huawei is such a big company and it's just weird to see them kind of vanishing from the whole market all of a sudden. The last time we saw them was with the Huawei P50 Pro in the mid of 2021, and that was it. No Mate 50 Pro that year, no P60 Pro this year either. But yeah, here we are now with the Huawei Mate 50, and it's quite an interesting phone to see in 2022. It looks like they've taken the last Mate phone, the Mate 40 Pro, and changed the design up a little bit. I personally really love the design on the Mate 40. And this design is definitely not an exception, especially in that black color with that gold accent around the camera housing. And it also comes in a silver color too, which isn't too bad either, and also an orange color, which I'm not really the biggest fan of, but it's all a personal preference. As for the display, here is where I'm heavily disappointed. It looks like they've gone for a big downgrade when it comes to it. They've gone from that beautiful pill hole design to the ugly old notch, which is totally unexpected from such an innovative company like Huawei. Even Apple has gone to the new pill hole design with the iPhone 14 Pros. So this for me is a big turnoff. Either way, it is a 6.74-inch OLED 120Hz display. The notch has a 13 megapixel front camera and a time-of-flight sensor for the 3D facial scanning. And it appears that Huawei is using something called Camel Glass, which actually reminds me of the notorious Marvel show Iron Fist. Yeah, I watched both seasons of it, and yes, it was excruciating to watch. But anyways, I thought it was something like a gimmick, but then I saw this video where a girl literally broke nuts with this phone, which is absolutely hilarious. Talking about specs, it has 8 gigs of RAM and it only comes with 8 gigs, no 12 gigs variant or anything, 256 gigs of internal storage, and surprisingly it has expandable storage, which is much appreciated. And it also uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset, no Kirin chip this time around either. And we all know how good and efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus is, so I'm really glad they went with it. As for the battery, it rocks a 4700 mAh battery, which is quite decent, and it also comes with 66 watt of fast charging, and the charger does come inside the box, which is a relief. And it also has 50 watts of wireless charging and 5 watts of reverse wireless charging. As for the cameras, it has a triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel main camera, which is a pretty big sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 64 megapixel periscope camera with a 3.5x optical zoom, which I think is a bit low for today's standards. But let's be realistic, no one uses the zoom feature that much. And if you're wondering, yep, there is no Leica collaboration or optimization with these cameras. Speaking of collaborations, as for the software, it of course doesn't have Android. It comes with EMUI 13.0 based on HarmonyOS 3.0. I haven't used it personally, so I'm really not sure of how good or bad it is. It starts at $1,000, maybe $1,100 in some regions. It will be launching in Europe in just a few days and maybe in a few other Asian countries too. But of course, it won't be launched in America. If I'm being honest, I don't really recommend getting this because of the absence of the Google services. But even if you don't care about them and just want to buy a Huawei phone no matter what, then just go for the P50 Pro. It's still on sale, it's much cheaper, around $700, maybe even less. The specs are very similar and the display is drastically better. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comment section below. Drop a like on this video if you think I deserve it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one. we're closing in on 2,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you guys would just go ahead and subscribe. This is Mr. Fantastic, and I'll catch you in the next fantastic video.